Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my earrings collection video. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the first earring. It has a mirror on it, and it looks extremely good with Indian outfits, any kind of Indian outfits, and this is how it looks on me. I apologize beforehand because I might sound like a broken record. However, most of the earrings that you will see in this video are gifts. They are from my sister, and thank you so much for being so kind, and I love you. These earrings might look very heavy. However, they are actually lightweight, and they're easy to carry. Someone actually suggested me to make this video, so here you go. I usually like to wear chunky earrings, hoops, so on and so forth. I have a few gold-plated earrings as well. However, they need a separate video of their own, so stay tuned for that. Earrings are a wonderful way to perk up your face and make you look classy and fabulous. There are a few things that you need to remember while purchasing earrings for yourself. That the earrings should match your face shape, your bone structure, should also match your lifestyle, your personality, and should also match your skin tone. I have different types of hoops and I absolutely love them. Saved the best for the last, and with this we have come to an end of this video. And if you liked it, please do not forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel down below, and please don't forget to turn the bell notification on as well, so that every time I upload a video you are notified. And see you on my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.